Hey guys, a super quick tutorial on Cronometer, how to find the recipes that we have saved into Cronometer. Alright, let's see. Takes forever to open. Let's go to a new day. Alright, when you click on your meal, which meal you're eating, when you add food, come over here to custom, click custom. You can alphabetize it or go by most recent or most frequent, whichever you prefer. And now you have an alphabetized list of the custom foods. Now I have a whole lot here because I play around in here a lot. So you can add some of your own to your Cronometer too and play around. But you will see that all the recipes that we have for you will be here in this list. The egg roll in a bowl, the zucchini noodles and sausage. Let's see, what do we got? Mexican lasagna. All of those things, the jambalaya, all of that stuff that is on that list in our Facebook, you will find when you go to custom, when you add food. Okay, so again, when you're in your meal, add food, go here, click custom, and then it'll bring up a list of all those recipes that we have in our Cronometer. All right, thank you.